Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to find TikTok stream key on mobile. So, first thing you have to do is open the TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And in your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, usually at the top right. Select Creator Tools from the list, and inside the Creator Tools section, tap on Live Center. You will need to be eligible for live streaming on TikTok, typically requiring 1,000 followers and being at least 16 years old. If you don't see a direct option for a stream key, TikTok may ask you to use their Live Studio tool, which is TikTok's desktop streaming software. Follow the on screen prompts to check eligibility and request access to live stream key. Once approved or granted access, you should see an option for Stream Key in the Live Center settings. Copy your Stream Key and use it to stream through external software like OBS. If you are unable to find the key, you might have to check TikTok's desktop version or wait for further eligibility. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!